Why is it important to take care of your hands? Because if your calluses get too tall, they can catch on the bar when you're sweating in your gloves and can tear and cause blisters. Not fun. Example. Just after 5 pull-ups, look at my hands. Look at how much those pull-ups pulled on those tall calluses. Now, if we trim those, that's not gonna happen. Now there's less chance that my calluses are gonna catch when my hands get sweaty in my gloves, less chance of tearing, less chance of blisters, and I can still do more pull-ups. Enjoy getting seat time.